What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayana and I'm self-taught MUA. So for today's tutorial, I'm just going to show y'all a very quick video on how I did my makeup for my graduation photos. So I actually graduate tomorrow, which is May 9th, and I will be graduating from my college now. I'm just receiving my certificate, and then we have one more semester left, and then I can take my state test. But we're gonna take some photos, and the photos came out really cute, and y'all will see at the end. So what I'm doing today is some underpainting. I always find that the underpainting method is just the quickest method. It does require a pretty much, you know, a lot of blending, but when you have experience in applying makeup, it doesn't take as long because you just are quicker with your blending. I'm loving blending with a brush first and then going in with the sponge. It gives you that skin-like look. So the first thing that I did with my face was prime, and then I color corrected, and then I highlighted the areas with some concealer, which is on my forehead, my nose, under my eyes, my cupid's bow, my chin. And so now I am basically doing a reverse contour. What I mean by reverse contour is I'm doing that before the foundation. So I'm using the the Match Stick in Espresso from Fenty Beauty, using a stippling brush to blend all that out. So I contour, bronze my face in my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, and also my nose. And any excess I have, I will go under my jawline. And again, going back in with that sponge to give you that skin-like feeling. I don't know what was going on with my face, but we were breaking out, and it probably was because of my period. I did just get off of it. So we're doing blush, and this is e.l.f.'s Camo Liquid Blush. I love this blush. It's buildable, so it doesn't have the fullest of coverage to begin with, but you can build it up. That case study was good that I had got from Applebee's. Usually I don't like them, but food usually be good the next day. So now we're going on with foundation. My favorite foundation, the NARS Radiant Longwear foundation in the shade Macao. And look at the base. It looks really pretty, but we're not done yet. So after blending the foundation, and I put the foundation just in the spots that were empty, basically. I'm going in with another concealer. Also, these concealers are from e.l.f. and it's just a lighter concealer, giving me that brightening under my eye. So now we're gonna set with the Beauty Bakerie setting powder. I like to push that powder into the skin, or really push into my sponge first, and then go in and tap it into the places that need setting, which is where the concealer was. So now I'm going to set that contour with some bronzer. I first used the tan shade from Juvia's Place, and now I'm using a Brownie bar from Beauty Bakerie. Now my favorite part, some blush also from Juvia's Place, and I just go crazy with the blush. I'm going in with it off my cheeks, highest points of my cheeks, and we're even blending it in towards my forehead, and I might even put some into my nose. Bringing it up to your forehead just really gives you that lifted look. So after spritzing my face to set all that powder, I'm going in and do my brows. So I'm setting it with the NYX Brow Glue, and then I'm going on to my lips. This is the lip liner from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use some gloss from NYX. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the brows. I'm using the Morphe pencil, and I just filled in the empty spaces of my brows. Nothing too particular here. Doing some light stroke hairs and blending in with the spoolie. I usually do my brows and eyes first, and I think I'm going to stick to that because I just think I can give a better look with that, and it could just look a little better. This didn't look bad, but I think it could have looked maybe a little better, and that could just be me, be hard on myself. So using an extra concealer to prime my lids, and then we're gonna blend that concealer out and then move on to the eyeshadow. I'm using the Bolive Beaute eyeshadow palette. I'm taking 2 brown shades, and those shades kind of match my skin tone, and I'm just blending that all over my lid into my crease, and not really being particular, tapping, blending, whatever. I'm just trying to get some shadow on my lids, and then I deepen it up with a darker shade just to give me more definition in my eyes. So I use my bronzer from Juvia's Place, and then I also use the bronzer from Beauty Bakerie. So to top all that off, I put some shimmer, which is some highlight, onto my lid. I also use some highlighter from ColourPop, and then to even bring this look out more, I'm gonna line my eyes with some eyeliner, or actually some lip liner, because I didn't feel like going to get my eyeliner. So I'm just doing my bottom lash line, and then doing my top just to define it, and then gonna set it with some brown shadow. And then I didn't put fake lashes on today because I didn't think I needed it. I used some mascara and it came out just pretty. Thank God that, you know, my parents got long lashes and I got blessed with it. So now I'm setting my face with a Dewy primer setting spray from e.l.f. and then locking it in with Maybelline.
I don't know what the hell your problem is.
Okay.
I really don't now. I don't know what you got going on. But
if he ever watches this video, I'm in trouble. I'm just playing. But this is the final look, y'all. The look came out really pretty. My face was blended and beat. So now I'm gonna show y'all some of the pictures. So we just went to the park. Nothing crazy. You know, this picture right here is my favorite. It was really pretty. My fiance took all the pictures, but I'll be graduating soon. I thank y'all for watching today's video, and thank you.